Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your Ashita from my channel Ashita Elated. So guys, as usual, today also in this video I'm gonna review a product, and a product is a skincare products from HerbtoniQ. So I'm gonna review this rose water from HerbtoniQ and this onion hair oil from HerbtoniQ. Moving forward, I'm gonna describe. So guys, if you are interested in this video, you can proceed further, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe me. Then without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Guys, you can check my last YouTube videos where I reviewed most of the HerbtoniQ products because it's my personal favorite, and I haven't reviewed this rose water and onion hair oil from HerbtoniQ. I literally love all the HerbtoniQ products because it's 100% natural and it's 100% chemical free. So guys, very first product I gonna review is this HerbtoniQ water face mist or toner. You can see the bottle, guys. Bottle is of well designed, or you can say well shaped, and it is travel friendly because it is leak proof. And if I open this, you can see the spray bottle, and it is of pumping system. And the bottle design and quality, you feel as it is luxury one. So the bottle design and quality and all, it's good, and it is of 200 ml, and the cost is 399 rupees. But if you buy in HerbtoniQ website or Amazon or Flipkart, you will get even lesser. Friends, this is 100% natural, organic and chemical free. So guys, coming to the ingredients, it is made up of 100% pure and natural steamed distilled rose water, that is Gulab gel. So it is 100% natural, and here in this bottle all the instruction has been given. As I told in the last videos where I reviewed HerbtoniQ products, why I like most of the HerbtoniQ products is because in all the HerbtoniQ bottles, like skincare bottles or hair care bottles, you can see the detailed explanation like how you can apply to your skin or to your hairs. Guys, coming to the users, this product is useful for all skin type, and it makes us to feel so refreshed. Or you can also use this product as a toner. Here only it is given as it can be used as face mist or a toner. If you apply this, it soothes and also balance the pH level of your skin. It can be also used as a makeup removal. Once you're done with the makeup, you can just take some amount of cotton and you can spray and you can remove all the makeup. It can be also used as a natural makeup. So guys, coming to the direction for use, how you can use this, as I said you before, you can take a cotton pad and just apply this, just spray, and just you can apply all over skin, or else you can directly spray, like opening this and directly spray on your skin, and you can leave it for almost 15 to 20 minutes until it absorbs. Then later on you can just leave it, like if you are applying in the night, and even in the morning, once you're done with your face wash, you can apply this, and later on you can do your basic makeup. So you can use this morning plus evening. If you use morning plus evening, then the results will be good. I use this product as a makeup removal, and also I spray this rose water at night time and I just sleep. Also friends, as you all know, this rose water will be helpful for skin brightening and also skin soothing purpose. I think definitely all girls require to have like this kind of rose water. I tried many of the rose water, and I feel this is best because of its quality. So guys, you can use my coupon code, that is Harshita20, while purchasing HerbtoniQ product, such that you'll get 20% offer while purchasing all the HerbtoniQ products. So guys, here is my coupon code. So guys, the product links will be on my description. If you wish to buy this product, you can go and check it out once. So guys, the next product which I'm reviewing from HerbtoniQ is this Maha Palandu onion hair oil, and here how the box looks like. And if I open this, here is the bottle, and here is the detachable head. Just you can remove, and just you can fix this, and just you can apply directly instead of putting into a hands. So guys, coming to the bottle is of well shaped or well designed. This is of 100 ml and this is paraben free and this is 100% natural and chemical free too. And here the price is given as for 100 ml it is 655 rupees. As I said you before, if you purchase online you'll get somewhat discount and you can also use my coupon code. And this is an onion hair oil. Friends, here all the ingredients is mentioned. The main is onion and also it is made up of fenugreek, bringraj oil, gooseberry, etc. And it's 100% natural and chemical free. All the herb tonics are 100% natural and chemical free products. Guys, coming to the fragrance, let me apply. You can see it feels like onion color and the blending also is so smooth. You can feel the fragrance of onion plus methi, and it is mild guys, it is not at all harsh, it is so mild. Also the best part is the detachable head where you can fix it and directly you can apply on your scalp. So guys, coming to the main point why we should use this product, we can say it is an all-in-one solution for your hair problem. It encourages the hair growth and also it gives a strength to your hairs. And if your hairs are damaged or if your hairs are sticky, then this helps to nourishes your hairs and helps to grow. Friends, this product helps to regrowth of your hairs by reducing hair falls. It nourishes and you can feel your hairs are so shiny, and also it makes your hair so smooth and also helps to frizz control by giving a natural shine. So guys, coming to the application, you can apply this as your normal routine. You can just apply and you can leave it for overnight or just you can leave it for 1 hour or 2 hour maximum and later you can rinse it off. You can also use this for hands or body. Product link will be on my description. If you wish to buy this product, you can go and check it out, and also you can use my coupon code Ashita20 to get 20% off on HerbtoniQ products. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.